Luke chapter 23. Then take Jesus, go meet Pilate. Then the Pharisee people and the other people take Jesus, go meet Pilate. They accuse him, say, "We hear this man when they deceive and tell our people, say, may they not pay tax, give Caesar. And they talk, say, na him be Christ, wey be king." Pilate come ask Jesus, "Na you be the Jew people king?" Jesus answer, "Na as you talk." Then Pilate tell the priest oga them and the people, "I not see anything where go make me condemn this man." But they still say, "He dey cause wahala with wetin he dey teach people for Judea. He start am for Galilee and now he don come here." Then take Jesus, go meet Herod. When Pilate hear this one, he come ask whether Jesus na Galilee person. When he hear say Jesus come from where Herod dey rule for that time, he come say make they take Jesus go meet Herod. When Herod see Jesus, he happy well because he don tey when he wan see am since he hear about am. He dey hope say Jesus go do miracle for him present. Herod come ask Jesus many questions, but Jesus no answer am at all. The priest oga them and the law teachers dey accuse Jesus with vexation. Herod with him soldiers too dey take Jesus make yeye and dey laugh am. Then Herod say make dem wear fine cloth for Jesus body, then make dem take am go back go meet Pilate. That day, Herod and Pilate come be friends because before this time dem be strong enemy. Then take Jesus go meet the people. Then Pilate call the priest oga them, the elders and the people for that place, come tell them, "Una bring this man come meet me, say he dey deceive people. When I ask am question for una present, I no see any bad thing wey una say he do. Even Herod no still see anything too. So he say make dem bring am come meet us. This man not do anything wey go make am die. So I go give order make dem flog am, then I go free am." Na their tradition say Pilate must release one prisoner anytime when dem dey do Passover feast. But all of them dey shout, "Take this man comot, na Barabbas we want." Barabbas na person wey dem put for prison because he cause wahala and he kill person for the town. Pilate come talk to them again because he wan free Jesus. But they still dey shout, "Kill am, throw away! Kill am, throw away!" Again Pilate ask them, "Why? Which bad thing he do? I no see any bad thing wey he do wey go make am die. So I go give order make dem flog am, then I go free am." But dem shout more, they say, "Kill am, throw away!" They shout so tey Pilate can't do wetin dem want. So Pilate order him soldiers, say make dem give Jesus to the people, make dem go kill am. He come free Barabbas wey the people want, wey dem been put for prison because he cause wahala and kill person for the town. They nail Jesus for cross. As dem dey take Jesus comot, they come catch one man wey dey come from Cyrene, and him name na Simon. Dem put the cross for him back, make he carry am follow Jesus. Many people follow Jesus, and the women among them come dey cry. But Jesus turn, look them, say, "Jerusalem women, make una no cry because of me, but make una cry for una self and for una children. Because true, the time dey come when people go say, e good well for women wey no born or feed pikin at all. Then Dem go tear the mountains, make you fall on top us, and tear the hills, make you cover us. But if dem do this kind thing for wood when e still fresh, wetin go happen when the wood don dry? Dem still take 2 other men wey be thief wey dem wan kill follow Jesus. When dem reach the place wey dem dey call the skull, dem come nail Jesus for cross with the 2 thief, one for him left and the other for him right side. Then Jesus come say, "Papa, make you forgive them, because dem no know wetin dem dey do." So the soldiers come gamble to know who go take Jesus' cloth. The people still stand there dey look, but their leaders dey laugh Jesus say he save other people, make he save himself if he be the Messiah wey God choose. The soldiers still dey laugh Jesus, and they come give am wine wey don sour make he drink. Dem say, "If you be Jew people king, make you save yourself." They don write on top him cross say, "This na Jew people king." One of the thief dey shout for Jesus, "No be you be the Messiah. Make you save yourself and us na." But the other thief come shout for the first thief, "You no dey fear God as e be say na the same punishment we dey suffer? Na this punishment fit us because na wetin we do na im make dem dey punish us so. But this man, he no do any bad thing." Then he tell Jesus, "When you reach your kingdom, make you remember me." Jesus answer am, "I tell you the truth, today you go dey with me for paradise." By now, 12 o'clock don nearly reach for afternoon, and darkness cover the whole country until 3 o'clock for that afternoon, because sun stop to shine. The temple curtain come tear into 2. So Jesus shout, "Papa, I put my spirit for your hand." After he talk finish, he can't die. When the soldier oga see wetin happen, he can't praise God say, "True, true, this man na good person." So when all the people wey gather dey look see wetin happen, they come dey cry go their house, and everybody wey know Jesus before stand for far, and the women wey follow Jesus come from Galilee, they see the things wey happen. Dem bury Jesus. E get one man for the council wey be Joseph, and he come from Arimathea wey dey Judea. He be better person wey dey do wetin God like, and he dey wait for the time when God kingdom go come. He no gree with the other council members with their plan and for wetin dem do so. He go meet Pilate, come ask for Jesus' dead body. Then he carry the body from the cross, wrap am with linen cloth, come keep am for the grave where he dig inside rock, where they never bury anybody put before. That day na Friday, when dem dey ready for Sabbath day ceremony. The women wey follow Jesus from Galilee come follow Joseph go see the grave. So they come put Jesus' body inside. Then the women go house, go prepare better perfume. But for Sabbath day, they come rest, as Moses' law talk.